welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to H&M. I am not only bringing back something I returned online, but we're doing the $50 outfit challenge. And I watched some other videos and realized that I was like not doing it correctly. I just picked out like a $50 outfit versus like trying on multiple outfits in the store that are $50. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm gonna do today and show you. Thought you guys would enjoy, so let's go. I would mention my earrings. How cute are these Mejuri earrings? Like, I am literally so obsessed with them. They're so cute. Don't you guys love these? Let me know what you guys think. And we got some cute mascara crumbs on our eyelids. Look at the displays. These are like major tones. Love that. Ooh, this is not bad. And of course, they don't have my size. They don't have my size in anything. So I decided to do this video a little bit of a voiceover style because I felt really awkward being in the fitting room talking to myself with the sales associate in there, and there was pretty much no one at this H&M. So let's just jump straight into the fitting room. I grabbed, I think, 17 items at once, and I know that a lot of places don't allow you to do that, so shout out to the sales associate. But here is the first outfit. This is $50. The top was $14.99. The skirt was $34.99. I just paired it with my Mejuri crossbody bag, and the skirt is actually kind of tight. I didn't end up getting this one because if I sat down, one of the buttons would have busted open, I feel like, and it was a little bit tight, but I recommend it for anyone who has a little bit of a smaller bum. This is in a size 6 and the top is in a medium. Second outfit is this leopard printed trousers. Now these are $14.99 and then the top is $14.99 as well, but then the jacket is $34.99. So I am over with this outfit. I just wanted to show you guys what it would look like with the jacket on, but of course you can take it off. These leopard trousers are super stretchy and comfortable. I have this exact same pant in black, and I planned on purchasing more of this style pant because they're my favorite. They're so stretchy, they're super comfortable, they're almost like leggings but in a trouser form. And this blazer, you guys, oh, I loved it so much, and I was going back and forth whether or not I should buy it, whether I shouldn't, and it was $34.99, which is really good price for a blazer, but thought I would just show you guys. I didn't end up getting it because I did place an order at a different store for a white blazer. But let's move on to the next outfit. This was the outfit that I was like actually considering buying the full thing. So we have a brown bodysuit that is $9.99, and these trousers, which were $34.99. Now these white trousers almost had a denim like material, and they were so comfortable. This bodysuit was gorgeous on, but I didn't end up purchasing the bodysuit just because I felt like I didn't need a brown bodysuit. I didn't like it. But the pants, I'm still thinking about maybe going back and getting these pants because they're so cute. They were just a slight like tight. I'm a size 6 to 8 and like 28 to 29 jean size, and they were just like slightly tight around my waist. You can kind of see there when I turned to the side, but the buttons just kind of had a hard time going over my waist. The bodysuit also was like a little bit loose in my arms, but other than that, I loved this entire outfit. I'm just showing you the backside here, and it looked really good. I'm still thinking about it, but I feel like I'm saying I love this outfit. I'm thinking if I should get it or not. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I loved this outfit. I just felt like this was perfect for the summer. So I actually did end up getting these shorts, but I just paired this with the $14.99 leopard blouse, the $10.99 or $9.99 bodysuit, and then the shorts were $14.99. So I was still under $50 with this little outfit here, and I love the lighting in H&M fitting rooms. It's my favorite lighting ever. But I actually did end up getting these shorts because they were super stretchy, number one. They were really comfortable, have a great fit. They're slightly see-through, like just slightly, but I feel like I can get away with like nude, hipster, seamless underwear. I'll be fine. But I loved this. I thought it was super duper cute, just all together. And then I'm showing you here without the leopard blouse what it looks like. The bodysuit is like cute, but I just like didn't want to spend $9.99 on it. You know what I mean? Like, I just felt like it was kind of rubbing near my inner thigh section and it kind of hurts, so I was like, nah, I'll just leave that there. But look how tailored and cute the shorts fit. I just did a video and this would be a good option. This next outfit is just like a button-up dress. I really liked this dress a lot, but I wanted it to be in like a different colorway, maybe like a neutral tan or like white would be gorgeous. I just felt like I didn't want a black dress, you know, but it was cute. This isn't a size 6. Most of the items I picked up like to try on were all in a size 6, and then I just showed you this with the sweater on top. So the dress is $34.99, I want to say, and then the sweater is $14.99, so we're right under $50. And I thought it was cute to pair the two together because dresses like these are perfect for layering. It looks like you're just wearing a skirt, which I think is really cute. The sweater, to be honest, is not the best material. I wouldn't actually spend $14.99 on it, but the dress is super cute. Next outfit is an outfit that I was actually contemplating on buying the whole thing. So I did purchase the pants, which you'll see at the end of this video. These are the wide leg, and I love the fit. It is incredible. The waist is a little bit loose, I will say. I'm a size 6, like I said, and it is just like slightly stretchy, slightly loose, but I love the way it makes me look really slim and tall, especially because of the wide leg. And then yeah, I'm just showing you here, no pockets. And then the leopard printed blouse, I was really on the fence of whether or not I should buy it. I kept like putting it down, picking it back up, putting it down, and I eventually just put it down because I wasn't like so over the moon and excited like, yes, I'm gonna buy it. So I just set it down for now, but maybe in like a couple of weeks, if I'm still thinking about it, I might go back and pick it up. But yeah, I loved this outfit so much. Even when I'm watching this now, I'm like, should I go back? But I really loved that outfit, and I wanted to show you guys what this outfit looked like with the white blazer on top. Like, so these 3 pieces here were my top 3 favorite pieces from H&M while I was shopping. I have a really strange taste in fashion. It's very much like chic business fashion wear. Like, I don't really like super duper trendy items, like graphic things, but I really like a nice tailored fit, really classic pieces that you'll wear for the rest of your life. And I feel like this whole outfit just kind of screams that. This white blazer, I'm still thinking about it. This outfit here, I wasn't my favorite, but I wanted to show you a couple of different options. So these shorts were $14.99 as well. They're kind of a khaki color, and this blouse was $14.99 as well, I think. And it was, the material was gross. It was like a crepey material, and it kind of hurt and was stiff to put on. The shoulders were like popping up when I was wearing it. I didn't really like the top as much, but shorts are amazing. Can't recommend enough. And then this white top is the same blouse as the leopard one, just in the color white. And honestly, I'm like thinking, should I go back? But I have so many white blouses that I'm like, maybe I shouldn't. And then these khaki, like almost tan, light beige stretch pants, trousers are the same ones that I showed you guys in the leopard print. And also they have it in this color, and I have it in black. I felt like this colorway kind of showed off my stomach and like just a little too much, you know? It was like a little too light. I liked them, but then I was like, I just didn't like the way my stomach looked. And then I'm just coming up close showing you the material of the blouse. It's really nice, actually. It's so soft. And again, it's $14.99, which is pretty good for a blouse, but I'm still like on the fence because I have so many button-up shirts. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Quick plug for all of these outfits styled on my Instagram account. But let's move on to the next outfit. So I thought this one was super cute, just like if you're poolside or just hanging out with your friends. This is the last outfit, but they're the same white shorts, and then I found this like divided label white and beige striped button up, and I thought that was super cute too. I think it was only like $12.99, I want to say. All the links to everything that I'm featuring will be down below if you guys want to check it out. But I thought this was a super cute colorway and summer outfit. So those are all of the items. Back home now, and I actually got a facial from Sephora, so all my makeup is kind of like rubbed off. But I just thought I would show you guys all the items that I got from H&M. So this is just one of my own sweaters, and then I paired it with these H&M shorts that I ended up purchasing. I am so happy with these shorts, you guys. 2 videos ago, I did a travel outfits like how to not look touristy, and I featured a pair of white shorts, and ever since then I've been looking for a really similar pair, and I feel like these are such an incredible like dupe, I guess, or something similar to those shorts. They're so comfortable. The length, like the inseam in the leg is so perfect. Like it doesn't make me feel like I'm showing off too much of my butt or anything. It covers below my butt and everything, so it's so nice. Highly recommend these shorts. I have it here in a size 6. They're kind of stretchy as well, so they're super comfortable if you're traveling anytime soon. So I just paired it with like a beige sweater, because I'm gonna also show you the other pants that I got. I have always felt super passionately that H&M does amazing trousers and bottoms, and they're really affordable. Like they're not really expensive for the amazing fit and quality that you get. So these are a pair of trousers that I mentioned I got. It's got a nice crease running down the front of them. They don't like, honestly, they look way better in person than on camera, and they come up so incredibly high. You guys all know that I love a wide leg, and if I wear heels, it just barely grazes the floor, which I love. There are no pockets in here, but again, these pants are so affordable. They're like $34, I think. Definitely is one of my favorites, and I'm so glad that I picked this up. I actually picked up this skort here from online. I was like looking through the website before I went into the store a couple nights ago, and I actually ended up getting this in a size 6. It's actually shorts underneath here, and then it's just got like a skort over the top of it, which I love. I'm just leaving the same top on so that I can show you guys what the bottom looks like. I just thought this was like a super fun skirt for the spring and summertime, and I'll probably end up pairing it with a white blouse just like tied up. But yeah, I just thought Gingham is so cute and always in for the springtime, and because they're also shorts, they're so comfortable to just like go to Disneyland in. I don't know why I thought of Disneyland, but you guys know what I mean. So yeah, this also was under $50. All of the items I'm showing you are under $50. Right, and here is my favorite trousers from H&M. I'm just gonna like try and tuck the front of my sweater into it so that you guys can see the full shape. They come up above my belly button, I would say. Yeah, they come up above my belly button, so they are a little bit higher rise than what you would expect for a pair of trousers. They're incredibly stretchy. I can sit in them, I can go on a trip with these, like go on an airplane with these. I love where they cut off on my ankles. It's just right at my ankle. These are by far my favorite style of pants by H&M, but again, I tried it on in that beige color, and it would just like highlighted my stomach area a lot, and I just like didn't feel the best in it. So I just decided to skip out on the beige color, but they have these pair in so many colors, like navy, olive green, baby pink, there's like a ton of different colors. So like I said, I'll leave a link down below to them, but they're literally so comfortable, and if you work at Victoria's Secret or like anywhere where you have to wear black, I cannot recommend these pants enough. They're so incredibly comfortable. They're my favorite pants in the entire world. So that's the end of today's video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and also comment down below. Let me know what your guys' favorite outfits are. I'm gonna list off the numbers here now. I really enjoyed filming this, so if you guys like these types of videos, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.